We all want to live luxuriously and comfortably, right? Well, technology has taken us to new heights with home automation systems that are all the rage these days. These smart devices allow you to automate your home, making life a whole lot easier. Imagine programming your smart home to perform actions automatically based on triggers. If you're curious about how to embrace this smart lifestyle, here are 10 awesome home automation ideas to make your life simpler and your home smarter. First up is the Tempest Weather Station, which is now compatible with Home Assistant, making it perfect for real-time, accurate weather monitoring. Unlike relying on distant weather stations, Tempest provides hyper-local data from your own backyard. A great use case? Automating outdoor shades to respond to high winds. Setup is simple. When wind gusts exceed 25 miles per hour, your shades automatically retract thanks to the Bond RF controller. It's a hands-off way to protect your home from unpredictable weather without constant monitoring. Even if you don't have shades, you can still use it to get alerts when wind speeds get dangerously high. It's a must-have for anyone looking to stay ahead of weather changes. Next is the Casper Smart Lighting System, a game-changer for keeping your home well-lit and secure. With its automatic seasonal adjustment, you'll never come home to a dark house again. Plus, the Smart Away feature randomly turns your lights on and off to make it look like someone's home, even when you're away. Casper connects with just about every major smart home system: Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple Home, and more. Control your lights via the Lutron app with your voice or straight from the wall. It works with existing bulbs, dimmable LEDs, incandescents, and even older homes since it doesn't require a neutral wire. The wireless Pico remote makes controlling lights from anywhere in the house easy, even for three-way setups. Alright, we just saw some cool gadgets that are now quite popular, but that wasn't always the case. A lot of marketing had to be done for them to garner such a fan base. So if you are a business owner and want to increase your sales and drive more traffic to your sites, you should check out today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. With TikTok for Business, you can launch your first campaign in just 3 easy steps. First, answer a few questions, and TikTok will create a personalized marketing plan just for you. Then, craft your content using an easy-to-use template or upload existing creative. Finally, run your campaign and watch your business reach new heights with the most engaged audience online. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. Let's talk about the Arlo Pet Feeder, which can be an absolute lifesaver for you and your pet. You can control it even when you're miles away, thanks to the Arlo Home app. Set up feeding schedules, and it automatically dispenses food based on your pet's habits. It even works with Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, so you can feed your pets with just a voice command. And if you have the Arlo Camera Hub G3, you can automate it to turn towards the feeder and record when food is dispensed, making it easy to check if your pets are eating. The backup battery option gives you peace of mind during power outages, and the built-in voice message feature is a fun way to call your pets at mealtime. You'll love the Yale Smart Lock with a touchscreen. It's a total game changer. No more fumbling with keys. It unlocks automatically when you get home with your phone, and if you forget the phone, just use the keypad. Controlling it with the Yale Access app is a breeze, letting you lock, unlock, and share access from anywhere. Plus, it works seamlessly with Alexa, Google, and Siri. The auto relock feature is a lifesaver, making sure the door always locks behind you. Sharing access is super simple too. Temporary codes, scheduled access, it's all there. With the built-in Wi-Fi Connect, no additional hubs are needed. Honestly, it's the ultimate smart lock upgrade for your home. Wi-Fi can be a pain with dead zones or slow speeds, but the Deco X55 takes care of that. It's a Wi-Fi 6 router that covers up to 2,500 square feet, and you can add more units for even more coverage. You'll love how it eliminates buffering and dead zones, giving you seamless connection throughout the house. The AI-driven mesh learns your network and adjusts to keep everything running smoothly. Setup is super easy with the Deco app, and you can even manage everything remotely. Plus, with 3 gigabit Ethernet ports, you get better speeds when you need a wired connection. The added Home Shield security keeps everything safe from online threats. No more Wi-Fi headaches. Using the Wyze Cam V4 can make a huge difference in your home security system, especially with its 2.5K QHD resolution. Whether you're monitoring indoors or outdoors, the image quality is stunning, even in low light, thanks to the enhanced color night vision. What really stands out is the motion-activated spotlight and voice warning, paired with a built-in siren for extra security. The WDR tech brings out vibrant colors, and the audio quality has been improved, so conversations are clearer. Plus, you can record locally 24/7 with a micro SD card, no subscription needed. Setup is super simple with Bluetooth, and the Wi-Fi 6 support keeps the connection stable. It also works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant, making it a smart addition to your home. The EcoB smart sensors provide even more home security for you. These sensors are quick to install on doors, windows, or even safes and cabinets, instantly notifying you through the app whenever they're opened. By placing them near valuable areas, you'll receive real-time notifications the moment anything is accessed. The smart sensors detect motion up to 16 feet away with a 120-degree range, giving you extra peace of mind. The battery lasts up to 3 years, so you won't have to worry about frequent replacements. With the EcoB Smart Security subscription, you also unlock push notifications when the system is armed, ensuring you know if anything unexpected happens. The Ufy L60 is designed for hands-free cleaning with up to 60 days of no maintenance. With its 5,000 Pascal suction, it quickly pulls dust and debris into the dustbin, and then automatically transfers everything to a 2.5-liter bag in the self-empty station. You can practically forget about replacing it for up to 2 months. It uses precision iPath laser navigation to map out your home with LiDAR tech, so it's efficient and won't miss a spot. Plus, the AI Map 2 allows you to pick specific rooms to clean or set no-go zones right from the app. Oh, and forget about untangling hair from the roller. Its hair detangling feature does it for you. Here's a smart solution for home safety: the first alert alarm with precision detection technology. It complies with new industry standards to reduce false alarms from cooking and offers early warnings during home fire emergencies. This device provides reliable 2-in-1 protection, safeguarding against both smoke and carbon monoxide. Installation is simple, and it's designed to last with a 10-year sealed battery, meaning no battery replacements or low battery chirps throughout its lifespan. Plus, it has an end-of-life warning to alert you when it's time to replace the unit. Its slim profile is half the depth of a standard alarm, making it a sleek and efficient addition to any home safety system. Blind Tilt makes upgrading your blinds so simple. You don't need to replace your blinds, just install it, and they're instantly smart. The built-in battery, along with a solar panel, means you'll never have to worry about recharging. With precise control, you can adjust your blinds down to 2 degrees for perfect lighting. It also has a light sensor that automatically adjusts based on how bright it is outside. You can use the app to control your blinds or set timers when you're nearby. If you pair it with the SwitchBot Hub Mini, you can even control them remotely through Alexa, Google Home, or Siri, whether you're home or not. Plus, you can manage multiple blinds all at once with just a tap. And there you have it, 10 amazing home automation ideas to elevate your living space in 2024. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.